Yo, what's poppin', y'all? So it's been a while, but Blvk Divmonds Eclipse, produced by NYCE, Chainsaw Man, AMV. So yeah, like I said, it's been a while since I reacted to Blvk Divmonds, bro. But I've been keeping up with his music regardless of the fact. So yeah, I thought let's go. You know what I'm saying? I thought that it's time to bring back the Blvk Divmonds reaction. So let's go. Boom, boom, boom.
That's nice. That's nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Class, red and blue, they switch. Yellow stones on glitz. Same color, my bitch.
Yo.
Left her in my past, watch still on my dick. Acting like I'm gon' hit. Told her something like this. All these flows I'm ass on. He ain't on our time and standard shipping. Way we pack them up. Express lane, we bag them up. Thought it was just Twitter when he led with all that gapping, huh? Don't you post that clubs with all that talk, that shit get blasted up.
Talk. Talk your ish, you know what I'm saying? Talk your ish.
I'm like this, all these flows I'm ass on. He ain't on our time and standard shipping. Way we pack them up. Express lane, we bag them up. Thought it was just Twitter when he led with all that gapping, huh? Don't you post that clubs with all that talk, that shit get blasted up. Yellow sign, shit get hazardous. Brody tried to slide on my old work and come and dab me up. Shorty got a bubble, make it pop, you know what happened, huh? All your business broadcast to the street, we never bragging, huh? We came with that leather, heard he drive a Chevy, inside white is pleather, we came through and wet it, swipe life ain't no debit, bitch we running treasure, this ain't bleach but I can't feel it, so bitch get your pressure up. I smoke on my dead.
Blvk has a lot of one-liners in this one. He got a nice little one-liners right there, you know what I'm saying?
We came through and wet it, swipe life ain't no debit, bitch we running treasure, this ain't bleach but I can't feel it, so bitch get your pressure up. I smoke on my medicinal, smoke I do my dancing up. This shit here electric, Jimi Hendrix, my soul amplified. We was blazing woods, he blazing up.
You know.
By candlelight, we went boy, they can't stand the sight. Hate me but he a fan of mine. Go tell them nigga class, red and blue they switch. Yellow stones on glitz, same color my bitch. Left her in my past, watch still on my dick. Acting like I'm gon' hit. Told her something like this. A lot of y'all outclassed. Red and blue they switch. Yellow stones on glitz, same color my bitch. Left her in my past, watch still on my dick. Acting like I'm gon' hit. Told her something like this.
I really like the hook. As well as the beat. I like the beat as well. Has a nice little laid back, you know what I'm saying? Laid back vibe, you know. I like it.
Same color my bitch. Left her in my past. Why she still on my dick? Acting like I'm gon' hit. Told her something like this. What's in my drink? 3 bad hoes around me, they calling me baby, no singer or pink. Shorty came from Cuba.
Okay.
Told her something like this. What's in my drink? 3 bad hoes around me, they calling me baby, no singer or pink. Shorty came from Cuba, say she want me, so we linked. They gon' make transactions for the art rate before I blink. Diamonds ring, ice cold. Let me switch it up.
He just says it with a swag with it. You know what I'm saying? Not only that, just like I said, the one-liners. You know, the wordplay as well. Cuban link. You know what I'm saying?
Singer pink. Shorty came from Cuba, say she want me, so we linked. They gon' make transactions for the art rate before I blink. Diamonds ring, ice cold. Let me switch it up. You see the afterlife, even through guided prayer. You can get clapped tonight.
Oh.
Blow through my cousin, we hide in satellite. I move assassin like killing for you, hit a battle cry. Call me bitch, now I'm dogging his mama. He get hype, not a carpet designer. Red on the cuff, full of custom. Cut out the carpet and hide it. Hop in the coupe and I dust them. Peek through the tent, that's your hall inside it. Red wagon all in behind it. They heard you
on that bad.
I move assassin like killing for you, hit a battle cry. Call me bitch, now I'm dogging his mama. He get hype, not a carpet designer. Red on the cuff, full of custom. Cut out the carpet and hide it. Hop in the coupe and I dust them. Peek through the tent, that's your hall inside it. Red wagon all in behind it. They heard your shit and now all of them quiet. Know my name, but they talking about it. I've been a subject, hush if you upset. They rather listen to talking, I'm up next. He brought up, but didn't grow from a pup yet. Compromise this, not fuck that. I'm with the gang. Shit and now all of them quiet. Know my name, but ain't talking about it. I've been the subject, hush if you upset. They rather listen to talking, I'm up next. He brought up, but didn't grow from a pup yet. Compromise this, not fuck that. I'm with the gang, we smoking on muskrat. Bustin' like, how did you touch that? We don't take kindly to shots, and we bust back. Red and blue, they switch.
Oh yeah, it's the swag, you know what I'm saying? It's the swag, delivery, cadence.
Fuck that. I'm with the gang, we smoking on muskrat. Bustin' like, how did you touch that? We don't take kindly to shots, and we bust back. Red and blue, they switch. Yellowstones on bliss. Same color, my bitch. Left her in my past, why she still on my dick? Acting like I'm gon' hit. Told her something like this. A lot of y'all outclass. Red and blue, they switch. Yellowstones on bliss. Same color, my bitch. Left her in my past, why she still on my dick? Acting like I'm gon' hit. Told her something like this.
I mean, what else can I say? What else can I say? Man's got the assignment. Passed it with flying colors. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. Definitely. This song definitely really good. Really good. So yeah. Shout out to Blvk Divmonds. Let me look at the credits before I head out. So yeah. AMV by Blvk Divmonds, produced by NYCE, mixed and mastered by ADK Alt. Shout out to y'all. So yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments below your thoughts on my reaction, your thoughts on Blvk Divmonds ECLIPSE. You know what I'm saying, the Chainsaw Man AMV. Definitely a vibe. So yeah, I'm out. Take care. Like the video, subscribe if you're new. And yeah, take care and stay safe and stay hydrated, y'all. Peace.